Today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Shoei RF-1200. This is a Marquez power-up edition. Let's get into what's in the box. So it's usual documentation, a lot of paperwork about the kind of cleaning you need to do. The silicone lubricant for the rubbers that need to be maintained soft. The chin guard that helps a lot of wind deflection, which can be installed later. And a couple of Shoei stickers, very good quality ones. A detailed manual, and the nice part about it is that it's printed just in black and red, kind of makes the illustrations look good. So again, some warning paperwork in the same format. This is the RF-1200. And yeah, this manual is printed in Japan, just like the helmet is made there. Next, we have the pin lock, which is a very crucial component for fogging and things like that. Most of you should already know. This pin lock is a CWR1, which can be installed later and which requires you to remove the visor off, put this on, and then fix the visor back. Let's go into the unboxing of the helmet itself now. Like I had already mentioned, this is the Marquez Power Up Edition. So this is the carrying case that it comes with. A very nice quality one with a couple of straps to carry it around. This model comes with some very beautiful graphics based on the Marquez theme. The paint job or the detailing is brilliant. It's got some metallic artwork. So the Marquez Power Up Edition comes in a couple of color schemes. I got the red and white, the large size. So Shoei has a size conversion kit with which you can probably find an exact fit. This helmet weighs in roughly at 1600 grams, which is pretty light for a track helmet. It comes with a 5-year warranty. Here are some of the features that I already mentioned. It has an emergency quick release system, which I will be explaining briefly. The RF-1200 comes with a DOT certification and is also Snell approved in case your track requires it. It comes with a double D chin strap. For me personally, a double D chin strap works really well because it doesn't bite me in the neck where the clamping happens. In a conventional quick release one, it bites me there. Also, it's super safe once it's kind of locked in place. These are the emergency pull tabs that need to be used in case of an accident and you need to pull out the padding. It's a faster way to do it. So here is a closer look into the padding, and I must say that it feels very premium and comfortable, and you just have the right padding where it needs to be. That's it for the unboxing of the RF-1200. My next video, I'm going to be shifting my Sena 30K from my old HRO helmet to my brand new Shoei. So looking forward to see you guys. Thanks for watching.